Hi, I'm going to show you just a nice little treat. Bananas, mayonnaise, or Miracle Whip. I use Miracle Whip, I prefer it. And nuts, if you want it. Got a couple bananas here. What I'm going to do is just slice them in half. It's easier to do it this way. Peel them. And then you're going to slice the banana in half this way. So that you've got your bananas open like that. Now this is a treat that my grandmother used to make many years ago for her ladies at church. They'd have their little meetings and whatnot, and they'd all bring a little treat, so they had something to snack on. And this is one that she always brought because the ladies loved it. It's a nice little treat for them. So you've got your bananas sliced. Clean off the blade. Like I say, I use Miracle Whip. A lot of people don't like Miracle Whip. I like the tangy zip of Miracle Whip. You can use mayonnaise, of course. Okay? So you're just going to get a little bit. And you're not going to make a thick layer. Just a little thin layer on each of the bananas. And you got to kind of clean up the edges. Takes a little bit of spreading to get it on the banana, smoothing it out. I won't make up this whole banana because I'm going to eat them right now. And you just kind of smooth it on there. A little too much there. You see, I'm not putting a lot on there, just a little flavor of it. And then what my grandmother would do is she would sprinkle chopped walnuts on it. Now, I'm not a big walnut. I like walnuts. I don't like nuts on food. I like nuts separately, okay? But she would then sprinkle walnuts, chopped walnuts on each one. It looks pretty with walnuts on it. You can use walnuts, pecans, whatever kind of nut you like. And basically this is what they're looking like. Very simple. They look prettier when you put chopped nuts on them, but I like them this way. And ladies would come and they'd take one. Or if you just want to do like hors d'oeuvre, you can just kind of chop them up, put toothpicks in them, and have little hors d'oeuvres. And it's amazingly tasty. It's good. I'm going to eat all these right now, but you don't have to watch that. Give it a try. Subscribe. Make some comments. like. Let me know if you have tried it, but give it a shot. It's a different taste, but it's a good taste. So come on back and let me know. Bye bye.